The word that makes a woman chase you is not confidence, dominance, or desire. You were trained to believe attraction grows when you explain yourself, when you clarify intentions, when you show interest clearly and early. But your life has taught you something else. You leaned in, and she leaned out. You opened up, and she cooled off. You tried harder, and suddenly she felt distant. That contradiction has followed you for years. You remember a specific moment. She was warm, engaged, curious. Then you said too much. You showed certainty. And something changed. Her replies shortened. Her tone shifted. Her energy became guarded. You replayed it later, wondering where you went wrong. Then something strange happened another time. She pulled back again. You felt it coming. And instead of fixing it, you said one small word, calmly, without emotion, no explanation, no pressure. And suddenly she leaned forward again. She asked questions. She re-engaged. That moment stayed with you because you never understood why it worked. Here is what is actually happening in those moments. Attraction does not respond to effort. It responds to emotional positioning. What she is really doing is tracking where emotional control sits between you and her. Most men never learn this. They think attraction is built by adding more words, more clarity, more reassurance. But what actually creates pull is subtraction. By the end of this video, you will understand why she gets warmer when you stop chasing clarity. You will know what it means when she suddenly tests you with distance. And you will finally understand sign number 6, which most men completely destroy the instant they experience it. This is not manipulation. This is perception. You are not forcing desire. You are removing resistance. The word I am about to break down looks insignificant, almost weak. That is why it works. Used wrong, it signals defeat. Used right, it signals emotional authority. Stay until sign number 6. Because what I am about to show you explains something that has been confusing you about women your entire life. Before we go further, has a woman ever pulled away, then re-engaged when you stopped trying to fix it? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one. Emotional pause trigger. She goes quiet after you show interest. This happens because emotional availability lowers perceived value when attachment becomes unbalanced. Her dopamine drops the moment the outcome feels guaranteed. You have seen this before. The conversation flows until you express certainty, then suddenly stalls. Most men see this as rejection. What it actually means is she is recalibrating emotional power. Selective attention spike. She starts watching you more when you stop explaining yourself. This happens because uncertainty activates the brain's threat-reward loop. Her attention sharpens when access feels limited. You already know this feeling. She notices your absence more than your presence. Most men see this as coincidence. What it actually means is regained leverage. Minimal response test. She sends shorter messages after you invest emotionally. This happens because she is testing emotional self-regulation. Stability creates attraction more than reassurance ever could. You have seen this before. Paragraphs turn into okay or sure. Most men see this as losing ground. What it actually means is she is measuring your frame. Delayed engagement shift. She becomes warmer once you stop steering the interaction. This happens because autonomy signals abundance. Neediness collapses polarity instantly. You already know this feeling. She invests once you stop pushing direction. Most men see this as luck. What it actually means is outcome independence. All of these moments point to the same truth. Attraction reacts to how you hold emotional space, not how much interest you show. We are halfway through. The signs coming up next are the ones nobody talks about. And sign number 6 is the one that will completely change how you read her behavior. Do not leave. Which of these signs have you seen from a woman in your life? Comment the number below. I want to know which ones are most common for you. Calm acceptance signal. She increases effort after you accept her pullback without emotion. This happens because emotional neutrality restores balance. Her nervous system reads strength through non-reaction. You already know this feeling. She expected resistance, but you stayed calm. Most men see this as giving up. What it actually means is silent confidence. The dark psychology behind this is simple. She chases what cannot be emotionally controlled. Expectation violation effect. She re-engages when your response does not match her test. This happens because prediction failure spikes attention. Her brain reopens the loop to regain certainty. You have seen this before. She pulls away, you do not follow, and she returns. Most men see this as randomness. What it actually means is disrupted emotional scripting. The dark psychology behind this is simple. Unpredictability restores desire. Emotional gravity shift. She leans in when you stop seeking reassurance. This happens because emotional gravity flows toward stability. The grounded one becomes the reference point. You already know this feeling. She opens up once you stop asking where you stand. Most men see this as delayed interest. What it actually means is polarity correction. The dark psychology behind this is simple. Desire moves toward emotional center. The reason this channel exists is simple. Most places tell you what she does. This breaks down why she does it, even when she cannot explain it herself. If that is the level you want to understand women on, you already know what to do. Everything so far has been building toward sign number 6. This last one is different. This is the moment that separates emotional reaction from emotional leadership. The word is okay. She leans in when you say it calmly after her pullback. This works because okay signals emotional completion. It closes the loop without chasing, resisting, or withdrawing. There is no demand inside it, no fear, no pressure. Her brain reads it as grounded self-possession. Here is what is actually happening. She expected you to correct the distance. She expected emotion. What she is really doing is watching to see if you will hand her emotional control. When you say okay without tone, you don't. You have lived this moment. She delays, tests, pulls back slightly. You respond with one word, calm, clean, and suddenly her energy shifts. She asks questions. She softens. She reopens connection. Most men think attraction is built through pursuit. What it actually follows is emotional gravity. Okay works because it removes friction without removing presence. You are not leaving. You are not chasing. You are standing still. That forces her to move. The dark psychology behind this is simple. Attraction follows the person who needs less emotionally in that moment. When you understand this, everything changes. You stop explaining. You stop overinvesting. You stop trying to manage her emotions. She feels that immediately. Now I want to hear from you. Which sign surprised you the most, and which one have you experienced personally? Tell me in the comments. The most interesting story gets a reply from me. This is what understanding attraction actually gives you. Not tricks, not lines, but emotional clarity. You stop reacting. You start allowing. And when you allow, she reveals herself without being pushed. Comment your experience below. If this video opened your eyes, the next video will go even deeper. Watch it now. If nobody has ever taught you this before, this channel is where you start. This is Dark Psychology Decoded.